Look, this is important. Someone has spoken to a lead developer at Samsung who has revealed a way of optimizing your battery life for the Galaxy Watch 6 and Classic for now, that is, until it is automated and will run in the background with an upcoming One UI 5 and Wear OS 4 update. Please ensure to watch the entire video to understand the motion behind this workaround. You guys know the power of why. According to a lead developer at Samsung, it has to do with Exynos Wearables W9 series of processors' lack of certain memory management instruction sets and Wear OS 4's background memory management. You still with me? Some apps, especially third-party ones, open background apps like Play services but don't fully unload them from memory. So this is the reason why you see Google Play services all the time, eating up your memory and battery life. So they sit there eating battery and memory. Samsung put in a manual way to unload them through One UI safely and allow active background apps to restart without causing issues. It will unload background apps from memory that can be safely unloaded, and it restarts any that are active and in use. I do this once or twice a day after heavily using different apps on the watch. Now, my first thing is always One UI Home at less than 4% and Google Play services is down to third or fourth at less than 2% of battery usage. So that is already good news. I also noticed the interface is snappier since there is more available memory. And my battery went from 44 to 52 hours between charges to now 48 to 54 hours. Those hours are from the since last full charge, not the estimated time, though my estimated time has bumped up too. I need you to let me know in the comment section right now which Galaxy Watch you are using when applying this workaround. While you are here, why not like this video and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Go to your Galaxy Watch 6, open up the app shelf, go into settings, scroll down to battery and device care, something we have seen before. Here you will see three options: battery, storage, and memory. Please go into memory, scroll all the way down. Most likely, you will already see which apps are taking up most of your memory, making it less responsive, but also taking up most of your battery life. Press on the blue icon to clean your memory. This workaround will increase your battery life as well as your speed for your Galaxy Watch 6. Now combine this with everything else I've shown you so far, you should be good to go. And I sincerely hope I earned your subscription today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.